Alright, so this just surfaced, and it might be our first real-world look at what the iPhone 18 Pro Max is actually going to look like in everyday use. Not renders, not concepts, but an actual physical component. A leaked screen protector has appeared online, and it's giving us a very clear idea of one of the biggest changes coming to the front of the phone. And, yep, the dynamic island is shrinking again. If you compare it side by side with the current generation, the difference is pretty obvious. On top, you've got the iPhone 17 Pro Max glass with that larger cutout housing Face ID and the selfie camera. Under that, the supposed iPhone 18 Pro Max glass shows a noticeably smaller cutout. And that's because Apple is reportedly moving more of the Face ID hardware under the display. The flood illuminator is said to be tucked beneath the screen now, leaving just a smaller visible opening for the camera. According to leak sources, the dynamic island could drop from around 20.7 millimeters down to roughly 13.5 millimeters. That's about a 35% reduction, which is actually a pretty big visual change when you're looking at the phone all day. And honestly, this feels like Apple slowly working its way toward a completely uninterrupted display, just doing it in very Apple fashion, one tiny step at a time. Performance-wise, the iPhone 18 series is expected to debut Apple's next-gen A20 Pro chip, built on a 2-nanometer process. That means more power, but more importantly, better efficiency, which usually translates into longer battery life and less heat. Speaking of battery, leaks are suggesting the Pro Max model could finally cross the 5,000 mAh mark. If that turns out to be true, combined with a more efficient chip, we could be looking at one of the longest-lasting iPhones Apple has ever made. There's also talk of faster charging and a brand new custom C2 modem designed by Apple itself, which should help with stronger signal and better data speeds. Design-wise, don't expect a radical overhaul. The rear is still expected to stick with that familiar rectangular camera module, with the triple camera setup, main, ultra-wide, and a periscope zoom lens, but with the usual yearly improvements in sensors and image processing. There's also a rumor floating around about a dark red color option which, if Apple actually goes through with it, could end up being one of the most popular finishes of the year. Now here's where things get even more interesting. Alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, Apple is also reportedly preparing its first foldable iPhone. The design is expected to be book-style, similar to what we've seen from foldables already on the market, with a 5.4-inch cover display when closed and a larger 7.6-inch screen when unfolded. The current expectation is that Apple might launch the foldable at the same event as the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max in September of 2026. But there's a twist. Reports suggest Apple could split its release schedule for the first time. So the Pro models and the foldable would arrive in September, while the standard iPhone 18, the iPhone 18 Air, and possibly a more affordable iPhone 18e could be pushed to a separate launch in spring 2027. If that actually happens, it would be one of the biggest changes to Apple's iPhone launch strategy in years, and it would basically turn iPhone releases into a two-part event every cycle. At this point, most of this is still based on early leaks and supply chain information, but the fact that physical components like screen protectors are already showing up usually means the design is getting close to locked in. So yeah, smaller dynamic island, potentially massive battery, a brand new chip, and maybe even Apple's first foldable all in the same generation, the iPhone 18 lineup is shaping up to be one of the most interesting updates in a long time. Let me know what you think about the shrinking dynamic island and whether you'd actually consider switching to a foldable iPhone if Apple finally releases one. And if you want to stay updated on the latest leaks as they happen, you already know what to do. I'll catch you in the next one.